Hi, in the next 3 minutes I'm going to show you how people have been replacing their income with a better salary, doing less hours with authority marketing. And as a special bonus, you'll find out how you can get a copy of some free training workshops. So click on the link or the Learn More button to find out more. I'm not sure about you, but in my job there have been times where I just felt a bit trapped, wondering, is this really what I want to do for the next 20 years of my life? But the biggest issue has always been the long hours. I miss not being around when my kids were growing up, picking them up, taking them from school, and just getting things sorted around the home because I was working Monday to Friday, only having the weekends, so my time was very limited. It made me think, what if I did another job and trained again, started over, did another full training, full-time education. I can't afford to go back to college and train full-time. I've got my mortgage to pay, bills to pay, a family to provide for. So that didn't seem like a logical option. Until I saw this online ad, and I found out how I could earn a great income in my spare time. And it didn't matter how computer literate I was, I'd be taught by proven marketers. You do not need any experience or products to sell. All you need is the willingness to learn something new. I'm here sharing this with you, so you don't have to go through what I went through. Spending most of my working life in the construction industry, doing long hours, and that is why I'm offering you a 4-part free training workshop series. This will set out for you the amazing options that are available. So why not click on the Learn More button or the link. If you do in the next 24 hours, you can make the most of the great offers that are now available. You will see my page, How to Start and Grow an Online Hyper-Profitable Business from Scratch. The sign-up's free. I went on to do the training, and now I can look forward to the prospect of working less hours, having more time for my family, for home improvements and more holidays, and working towards paying off my mortgage early. And basically, enjoy living and living my best life. Now I can look forward to working when I want, with customers I enjoy working with. And the best thing is, once the system is up and running, it runs itself by nature of it being an automated system. There's no deadlines, unrealistic targets, only the ones you set yourself. And there's no limit as to how much I can earn. And the last thing I want to do is spend another 20 years working in a traditional job with very limited time for my family and my hobbies until I'm 70 to retire and then pay off my debts, mortgages, etc. So click on the link or Learn More button. It's either carry on as you are, working long hours until you retire, or watch the videos and maybe, along with thousands of other people, you get to live your best life in authority marketing and earn yourself a great income and more time to enjoy your best life. The choice is yours, but thanks for watching.